Make a great choice today with the 2018 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, backup camera, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.